Thank you, sir.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you introduce yourself without taking your name.
Sir, I belong to the district of Kalahandi. I have done my class till class 12th in Sunabara Public School, Koraput. After that, I did my graduation in BJP College, Bhubaneswar. And then, sir, I took 1 year break after that and I prepared for civil services. Then I did my MA from Utkal University in the distance mode in political science.
Okay. So, what is constitutionalism?
Sir, I'll take 1 minute to say. So, constitutionalism is when there is limitation on the arbitrary powers of the government and the rights of the people are upheld.
Okay. So, all those states which have constitution, definitely we can say that constitutionalism is there.
No,
or
sir.
Not.
No, sir. We cannot say that.
Why?
Sir, the recent example we can take of Bangladesh. There is a constitution, but there is no constitutionalism there.
So definitely it is this principle of constitutionalism is very much helpful for our thriving democratic
countries.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
So you are from Kalahandi.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, in terms of administration, what are the issues faced by the administrators to make the Kalahandi administration a thriving administration?
Sir, I am not sure if it is defined to Kalahandi, but sir, because I have never interacted with any administration or there has not been any chance for me to go to that level. But sir, in general, if I say, then there is one thing which we see in common is that it is the political interference in the administrative sphere that acts as a hindrance for effective administration.
So you want to say that that kind of tussle is always there, that the executive and the bureaucracy is not complementary to each other.
Sir, it is not entirely like that, not in all cases, but in some cases it is like that, and that is one of the major hurdle for effective administration, sir. And sir, another reason which we can say is corruption, sir. Some officers are motivated to do corruption, so that is another reason. And we can also say that they don't have it is not they don't have, but somewhere there is lack of motivation in them to administer the public services to the citizens.
Okay, according to you, whom should take charge? The, like recently, or we say that normally the executives, or even say that the politicians are the boss, and the officers are subordinate to them or there to assist them. Is it true, or we should reverse it?
Sir, given our system of government, that is the parliamentary system of government, sir, the political executive, sir, they are they are the representative of the people, and sir, popular sovereignty has to be held, sir. And the bureaucracy, so the bureaucracy is complementary to them and they are not subordinate. And when we view it like this,
Then why this tussle? Why always we are blaming politicians for inefficiency or failure in governance or administration?
sir, as I said, because of our setup, the parliamentary system of government, so which is party based and which is ideological based. So sir, somewhere this complaint comes and this tussle comes between the
Whatever may be the ideology, the sole purpose of the politician is to win election, and for winning election you cannot say that development is not a criteria. Without development also it is very difficult to win election.
Yes, sir.
Don't you believe that?
Sir, I believe, sir, without development.
Then do you feel that any politician will want that no development should be there? And if development helps them winning election, then why not you think that administration also should apply their mind how to motivate and how to convince the political masters to carry out the developmental work, so that automatically people will be on his or her side. So why we are always thinking in that? Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir. I agree with you, sir.
Okay. So you belongs to which category?
So the scheduled caste.
Scheduled caste. So are you aware of the recent judgment of Supreme Court?
Yes, sir. I am aware.
What is that?
So the Supreme Court has given suggestions to the states that if they want to do subcategorization in the category which is quota within quota,
What
then
do you support?
sir, if it is only for the purpose of survey and information, then the quota within quota or the subcategorization should be done. But when it comes to allocating, I mean, whatever facilities which is meant for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, then sir, the creamy layer concept should be applied and not quota within quota.
Okay. So tell me, what is your parents' occupation?
Sir, my mother is working and she is Anganwadi worker.
Okay. Father?
Sir, I lost my father since I was a child. So
Okay.
in my family only consists of me and my mother.
Okay, my last question is, any Anganwadi worker or even like Subhadra Yojana is there.
Yes.
If somebody is getting 1500 per month, any government assistant, then he or she should not be, Subhadra Yojana for women. So she will not be eligible to get that benefit of Subhadra Yojana. Do you agree with that? तो भावुच जे 18,000 जे पाउछंती वर्षकू से माने इकोनॉमिकली एते वेल ऑफ हेगले तांकू से जो 10,000 टंका दबा भौणी हिसाब रे राखी बनिवारे आ अन्य जिन डेटा ठीक होउची कि
Sir, could you please repeat the question again?
मु कहली जे सेठी लेखा है जो क्राइटेरिया रे जे 1500 टंका मासकू पाउथबे बा वर्षकू जे 18,000 टंका पाइबे सेमानंग पई से माने एलिजिबल हेबे नाही पाइबा पई सुभद्रा योजना रो बेनिफिट जो 10,000 वर्षकू दुई थर दिया हबो गुटे होची राखी पूर्णिमा रे आ गुटे वुमेन्स डे रे बोलबे सेटा आउ तांको मिलिबो नाही ए जो निष्पत्ति रे तुमे खुशी जे ए निष्पत्तिटा ठीक अछि बोली लॉजिकल लागुछि
Sir, actually I am not well versed with the criteria of Subhadra Yojana.
नहीं मु तो कहि सेलेनी क्राइटेरिया
Sir, I haven't thought about it, sir. So
तणो भाबो थरे काइना ई 18,000 जे पाउछि कोन 10,000 पाइले तार लाइफ पूरा
sir, in mane if I would tell in my opinion that 15,000 1500 per month if we see, so that is a mere amount.
हां तो सेति पे जणो को बात करिबा कथा की
Sir,
से सेटा पाउछि बोले एटा पाइबनी
I do not think.
ताले काहे करा जाय
Sir, there must be some rules, there must be some criteria that the government must have taken.
काहे की करा जाय रूल तो अछि ना मु मना करूनी काहे की सेटा
Sir, I'm sorry, sir. I'm
financial constraint. Only thing is financial constraint. से constraint टा केमिति ना केमिति हमें कम करि परिबा. So if माने efficiently use करिवार अछि. मु कहूनी जे अन्य आडे एमति भी लूफोल्स रहिछि पैसा अननेसेसरी खर्च होछि किंतु कोट ना कोठी फाइनेंशियल कंस्ट्रेंट पई देखिथिबो बहुत समय रे हमें कहि दबा जे काली मु वीडियो हेले घर दे देबी भत्ता दे देबी बट गोटे ट्राए एतिकी टारगेट एतिकी खर्च करिवार अछि जोटा कि दुख लागे सेटा सेठु केते जण जदी विडो पाउचंती से पुनी मरि गेला पर सेठी गोटे स्लॉट फांका हला सेतिकी ई सब कंस्ट्रेंट अछि आमे जति न जानि कि एबे गोटे हीरोइक हे कि पळेबा पसी सरला परे आमे भी भाबुतबा हो एथि पे होय बट इंडल्जिंग इन करप्शन पैसा किछि नेई कि स्लॉट ता फांका थिले सेटा को दे दबा जो माने डिजर्विंग अछि न दबा सेटा करप्शन
rural unemployment, sir. I can say one problem. So another problem is it is an agrarian district and many people are engaged in agriculture and during the off season, so they remain unemployed, sir.
Seasonal agriculture.
Yes, sir. Seasonal agriculture. So this helps them in this imposes forced migration. So they have to migrate to another state or another part of the district to earn some income, sir.
Any more problem?
So there is the secondary and tertiary healthcare system there is not up to the mark, sir.
Any more problem?
Sir, industrialization is not up to the mark there, sir.
Acha, why Kalahandi is famous?
Sir, in terms of sir culture or
Tell me.
okay, sir. Kolahandi, as the name suggests, it is a pot of art. So the art and culture there is very distinctive, sir. The Ghumra dance, which we say,
Gumra
the
dance.
folk dance, and sir also the Habaspuri sari, which has got the GI tag. So that is also a part of Kolahandi. And sir, in a village called Chilingdora, many gemstones
GI
are.
tag is given by who?
So the Department of Commerce and sir, I am not able to recall, sir.
Acha, so what is your solution for distress migration, to control distress migration?
Sir, the main reason for migration is, sir, because as I said, it is agrarian society.
Acha,
So, sir,
agriculture crop failure or one time crop in one crop or two crop.
so we have two crops there.
Acha, in Kalahandi you have two crops.
Yes, sir.
Still migration.
Yes, sir. Still migration, sir. So because even if the husband and wife both are employed in the work, so there is no gender pay parity there. So that is one main reason why even they migrate.
Is there womanization of agriculture?
So yes, sir. And sir, I think because of the nature of the society, that is agrarian, so much steps must be taken in agriculture, such as crop diversification. So it is a Kalahandi does not receive much rainfall, so sir, we can diversify the crops and we can adopt millet cultivation, which can help the farmers.
Acha. Acha, tell me one thing. Do you think United Nations organization has lost its significance in the present scenario?
I would not agree to that, sir.
Any support to your answer?
Sir, United Nations was formed in 1945.
No, no, no. Example, good example.
Why you think that it hasn't lost significance?
Sir, because it hasn't lost significance because it is because of the United Nations conventions and all that I mean countries like India, they can take their stand, like for Russia, and when the entire Western world is against Russia and they want to put sanctions and everything. So it is through this platform that countries like India who do not support that.
Any recent example you are having in support of that event? You are not coming to that point. You are only hovering around that event, but you are not coming to that point.
Sir, actually, I cannot remember at the moment, sir, but I'll read on it.
Acha. Acha, in today, uh, in which direction India-Bangladesh relation is going?
So, given the current situation, because Sheikh Hasina, the former Prime Minister of Bangladesh, she is not being good to the interim government. That is so somewhere that will pose a threat to India-Bangladesh relations, sir.
So that means you are saying it would have better not to shelter or not to asylum.
No, sir, I am not saying that. I am saying this for Sheikh Hasina, sir.
Then how to manage the relation?
Sir, India can act as a mediating role. India can ask Sheikh Hasina to take neutral stand and to sir, to just graciously agree what the people of Bangladesh want, because ultimately the government, if it is a democratic country, then we have to go by the will of the people.
So, but in Bangladesh, what we found that the minority Hindu was being tortured, being killed, their house is damaged, shop is damaged. Do you think India remains silent, or what India government should do?
So India government, sir, it is a policy of Indian government not to interfere in the policy of the internal matter of other countries. But sir, given the problem that is in Bangladesh, that is the majority minority issue. So uh, it happens in countries, sir, because there are some problems that any society faces, And so just because there is problem, that does not mean that it will be a problem for long, and definitely there will be some common ground which can be found.
Kalandhi, why Kalandhi receive less rainfall?
Sir, because it is towards the western side of Odisha.
Too much western side of it.
Yes.
Then which part it is coming in the geographical division of Odisha? If I divide the, let's say Odisha would be divided on the geographical basis, what kind or how many types?
So for vegetation?
No, physiographically.
So I am unable to tell now, but
Okay. What is demographic window?
demographic
Window.
window. So can I take a guess? So demographic dividend is something I know. So demographic window may be that it is the potential that a country has, which it can use.
Okay. No, it's not potential. It's about the time factor.
Okay.
Okay. It's about the time factor because after 2050 there would be not that youth. The youth we said. So we will lost that time. The window will end.
Okay.
What is about round tripping? Have you heard about round tripping?
Yes, sir, it is an economical term. And
Economic terms I also know.
sir,
Everyone
I am unable to recall it, sir.
GST is progressive or regressive?
Regressive.
Regressive. But this one is progressive. Economics तो काको आसेन ओडिशा पिला को मु भी जानि छी टू बी ऑनेस्ट सेथमे पचारु जे मु देखे एथरे लैक ही करिवो मु जानि छी बट ये कल्चर देखि दवा व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन two temples I will give you Lingaraj temple and Mukteshwar temple I mean optional व्यतीत आउ काहे पिला को पाठ आसे ना मु भी जानि किछि आसीबनी भी पचारले किछि आसीबनी स्पेस पचारिबी हां
No, sir.
what is event horizon इवेंट हॉरिजन
Sir,
मते माने आई गॉट मतलब रियली मते